was it them who ended up pushing you to get your hearing test, or was it really you who said no? I'm
That was part of what pushed me to, you know, finally having my my hearing checked, because I felt bad for them, and I felt that um, they were probably more embarrassed for me than I was for myself.
So when you did have your first pair of hearing aids, how did everything change for you?
Um, well, it was good to be um, in again, to be part of that. But of course, I've always been a self-deprecator. I've always made fun of myself. I think it's a grace. I don't take myself too seriously. And so the very first few times that I was wearing my hearing aid, I would tell them, hello, and now I'm part of you. You can't talk about me. These lentils. And I guess that made them feel good. Um, but, well, I have to confess, um, I often forget to put on my hearing aid. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but there's something wrong with me. And it probably has to do with age also.
Yeah.
But it helps when I have it on. It's like the world is doubly alive. Like it completes and it complements my sense of sight. Because, it's so frustrating when you see something, see somebody talking, and you just have to read the lips and do some reading. And the communication process is just incomplete.
So looking back, do you wish you'd done it sooner or not necessarily?
I think it would have helped if I had done it sooner. But hindsight is always 2020. So I'm just happy that I had it when I had it, and it helped.
So Tita, if you had to talk or convince somebody else to have a hearing aid, or if somebody approached you and said, I have hearing loss, as somebody who's in the same boat, how would you guide them or what would you say?
I probably won't try to convince them. Uh, I would volunteer my own experience and tell them that, I don't want you to have that kind of an experience. So I'm sharing with you the good experiences that I've had because of that hearing aid. I mean, don't wait too long.
And how has been your experience using, your experience with your clinician with Active Hearing Center?
Mm. Well, for one, the people in the center are very attentive. They're very good and very gracious, and it always helps that you know that you have a friend in people you work with. Um, the it's been very helpful. Sometimes it can be it can be startling in the sense that when you put it on, everything seems extra loud, and you just get jolted off your seat. But then we realize that, hey, that means it's working well.
Okay. So, as somebody who, what do you call this, who has experienced life without hearing aids and life now with hearing aids, what is the biggest change to you emotionally?
It has added to my confidence. It has added to my notion that I'm more a part of what's going on around me. If it's a one-on-one, then it has added to my confidence that I'm getting across. You know.
Okay. That's perfect, Tita. That's good. Amazing. Is there anything else you want to add?
Yes, can I?
Yeah. Here, let's.
Just just one, like